Hello friends, welcome back to my channel IT Parivar. So guys, in this video, today we will learn how to disable network level authentication that is related to remote desktop connection settings. Okay, I am talking about this one, like remote desktop connection network level authentication. We'll go here to the advanced and then go to remote setting. You can see here allow connection only from computers running remote desktop with network level authentication. So sometimes if this option will be enabled, maybe you will not be able to authenticate, or you will not be able to access computer or server remotely. So if you want to disable this option, allow remote connection only from computers running remote desktop with network level authentication, or you can say NLA authentication. Okay, so I will show you how you can disable this using group policy. So if you there is two things. If this option is not grayed out, here you can see this is grayed out. That means this is something inherited from the group policy and you don't have the access to enable or disable this option. That means this is enabled by group policy, or you can say using group policy. So first, what we need to do, we need to generate the GP result on the system, on the server, by going to CMD and run as administrator. Okay, click to yes, and then here need to change like cd / directory path so that it will be generated under C drive only. Here you need to generate the GP result of the system just to check which group policy is getting applied on the server or system to enable that NLA setting. Okay, so here you need to type GP result space /h and then space your, like you can type here anything, abc.html. okay, so this is abc is my computer name, so you can type here computer name or server name. Okay, and then press enter. Once you will press enter, it will generate the report, and this will be saved under C drive because the path is C drive. Okay, let's go to the C drive on this PC. Go to C drive and try to find ABC. Here you can see this file generated. It's like saying 27th. Here you can see same date, and 1 minute ago it was generated here. Let's open this. Okay, once you will open, you have to click here show all option in the right side corner, and then you need to do Control F. Okay, and type here remote. Okay, remote, press enter, press enter, just to find which group policy is enabling that remote setting, NLA setting. Okay, you can type the NLA or network level authentication also. You can find by typing here network level authentication, but here you can see here require user authentication remote connection by using network level authentication. This is the same option, right? This is the same option. Let me show you. Go to remote, allow connection only from this computer running desktop with network level authentication. Let me close this. So this is the same option, means this policy or this setting is enabled by this group policy, RDP connection enable group policy. Okay, so what you need to do, you need to go to your domain controller or your domain machine Active Directory and go to tools, click to group policy management. Okay, once you will open group policy management, you have to find that group policy by going to group policy object. Okay, and you can see here this is the option RDP connection enabled. Okay, this is the group policy, and using this group policy that NLA setting or network level authentication setting is enabled on your client machine or on your server. Just double click on this. Once you will double click, you can see here the location is IT team. Okay, means this is the OU where your PC is laying. maybe here your domain name will be visible if the group policy will be linked to the root label or to the domain label. Okay, like let me show you here, 1 second. You can see here, in case of default domain policy, as it is linked to the domain level, to the root level, here it is showing location as domain name. Okay, so this RDP connection enable group policy is linked to this OU. Let's go to this OU. Here it is. Expand this, and you can see here RDP connection enable group policy is linked. Okay, so let's go to settings. Let's see where this setting is. NLA one. You can see here it is saying like administrative template, Windows component, remote desktop services, remote desktop source and host connection, and the security. Okay, so here it is. Let's go to the same path, right click, go to edit, expand this policies, and then Windows administrative template, click to Windows components, and once you'll go to the Windows components option, expand this again, and let me move it here. Then you need to go to remote desktop services, yes, then remote desktop session host, and then go to connections. By going connection, you can check the remote setting is enabled, but we have to enable disable the network level authentication. So you need to go to the security option, and here you can see require user authentication for remote connection by using network level authentication is enabled. So just we need to double click on this and set it to not configure or disable. Just apply and then okay. Let's close this. Let's close this also. Let's go to CMD again and type here GP update spaceless force. Okay, let's wait for, you can see computer policy update has completed successfully. User policies, yes, user policy update has completed successfully. Okay, so both policy completed successfully from the domain side. Let's close this first. Let's close this. Yes, let's go to CMD on client machine, where we need to disable that network level authentication. Type here GP update again and click to force at client end. Okay, let's go to setting and let's see if this is disabled or not yet. You can see this option is now not grayed out. Either you can enable it manually or disable it. Okay, let's see. Yes, group policy, both group policy user and computer, both group policy has updated successfully. And you can see the remote setting, the network level authentication option is not enabled now. Okay, so this is disabled. So guys, in this way, if network level authentication option is enabled on your computer or on your server, okay, so in this way you can find out using which group policy this option is enabled by generating the GP result, and you can disable it once you will find the group policy from the domain side, following the same process, following the same steps. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. So guys, again I will request you to please, just to support me, just to motivate me, please subscribe my channel IT Parivar and share with your friends. If you have any query or concerns, please feel free to drop or leave comment. I will surely try to answer your queries. Thanks for watching IT Parivar. Bye bye.